I'm just going to go through with you now a couple of slightly different examples, and then you can carry on with practicing questions for binomial expansion. So we can see this binomial expansion, the second term is a fraction, but we're still going to follow through in exactly the same way. So we've got a power of 3, so we want row 3 of Pascal's triangle, which gives me 1, 3, 3, 1. So I'm going to write those down the side again, 1, 3, 3, 1. And then first term, 2x cubed, so that's going to give 8x cubed. Second term in the expansion, 2x squared multiplied by minus 1 over x, so that gives minus 4x squared. So I've got my 2 squared is 4, my minus from here over x, and we have to remember to multiply by the 3. So we'll have some x's that cancel out there, and we're going to end up with minus 12x. Third term is just 2x and then minus 1 over x squared. So this time we'll have 3 times 2x times minus 1 over x squared. So one of those x's will cancel one of those, and I'll have minus 6 over x. And then lastly, we'll get minus 1 over x cubed times by the 1, that's minus 1 over x cubed. So if we glue all that back together as a final answer to expand minus 2x minus 1 over x cubed, we're going to get 8x cubed minus 12x minus 6 over x minus 1 over x cubed. For this one here, we need to set up an equation because we're given the coefficient of x squared. We're told it's 1350, and we have to find the possible values of a. So if we identify from this 4 that we need row 4 of Pascal's triangle, let's just go straight into writing those down the side. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And let's start setting up the terms of our expansion so we can find the right term that's going to give us our x squared term. So first term in the expansion would be 5x to the 4, then 5x cubed multiplied by a, then 5x squared multiplied by a squared. So I can see this is the term I'm going to want because that's going to give me my x squared term. So let's carry on and work this one out. So that's going to be 25x squared a squared. So we're told that's equal to 1350. So 25 a squared x squared is 1350. Well, in fact, it's just the coefficient that's equal to 1350, so let's get rid of the x squared there. So divide by 25. What have we forgotten to do here? We've forgotten to multiply by the 6 there. So actually we need to times that by 6. So instead of 25 there, you may have spotted that already, instead of 25 there we're going to get 150 a squared is 1350, a squared is 9, so that gives me values of a or plus or minus 3. So what I want you to do now is I want you to carry on with the Corbett Maths Pascal's triangle questions from files, which are questions 17 to 21. Then I want you to do the AQA Further Maths textbook questions 9 to 14, and then you can do, let's just type this on here, the Crack the Safe sheet on Teams, or you can do some questions from the A-level textbook, which is the AS core sheet, exercise 14, and that's going to be question 7 onwards.